Visual user generated content. Using visual user generated content to strengthen your brand. What is this? User generated content is nowadays very important for every brand to be the part of the world. Every day, these individuals create their own content, also known as user generated content, sharing more than 1.8 billion photos with their friends and followers on the internet. About 80 million of those photos go to Instagram and 300 million to the Facebook. Meanwhile, there are about 500 million tweets sent out every day. The popularity of smartphones and sharing visual content on social network presents a significant opportunity for brands to share user generated content. UGC is the abbreviation for user generated content related to their products. Visual UGC gives customers a pronounced role in overall messaging while providing companies with an interactive way to spread the word. Businesses of all sizes are using this innovative visual marketing strategy to attract new customers and engage with existing ones. As a small business owner, you too should consider this strategy. It's possible to make a name for yourself in competitive markets by making UGC an integral piece of your marketing strategies. Let UGC do the work for you. Rather than investing significant resources in content creation, UGC allows smaller brands to let their customers do the work, taking advantage of social media's pervasiveness with an engaging marketing campaign, including a catchy hashtag. Brands can attract customers who are more than willing to interact with and promote their offerings. Industries ranging from food and professional sports to fashion and travel can appeal to customers' desire to share their own content. For burgeoning brands and companies, UGC provides significant benefits. For example, not only does an image of a pair of new sneakers shared on Instagram get in front of the user's friends and followers, many of whom are peers and members of the same target demographic, it's a more trustworthy endorsement than other kinds of marketing content. UGC is earned media, and studies have shown that 92% of the consumers trust it more than other forms of branded content. Social media marketing and visual content strategies are prominent features of so many marketing campaigns already. When consumers see their peers and influencers they trust sharing their own photos and videos that hail the value and appeal of a company they may not know, it provides a powerful impetus to research it and become customers themselves. How brands put visual UGC to work. National Hockey League turned to visual UGC to capture the drama and excitement of the Stanley Cup playoffs to drive greater interest among casual fans. Rather than solely selling its product, the NHL let its fans showcase their own perspectives on the highs and lows that come along with the playoff run.